In my opinion, the voltage method and the amps, the first, this one, the voltage and the amps, they are, in my opinion, the best. The resistance, in my opinion, is not accurate because in a boat you have too much returns, and it's difficult measure exactly the resistance. This is the first one in order to check the voltage. You see that picture? Let me I analyze the picture carefully. This is the battery, and we are going to disconnect the main positive of the battery from the positive terminal of the battery, and I am going to insert in series my multimeter. In normal conditions, the reading should be 0, 0, 0, because it's the positive. You have the positive cable, you interrupt the positive, and you try to read voltage in between this and this. It's 0. It's 0. Oh, I have 12. It's because in the other side, some equipment is touching the ground. You have a leak. For that reason, you have 12 volts over there. Simple. If the reading in amps in the ammeter is less than 1 milliamp, how much is 1 milliamp? 0.1 milliamp is 0.001. If I have less than 1 milliamp, the situation is considered not critical. If it's more than 0.01, it's critical. Yeah, I have a good example, and we are going to check on the board right now that example. This is the connection. The positive of the battery is interrupted here, the positive enter here, and I interrupt with this breaker. And the positive continue. The positive continue here in the fuse, enter in the shunt for the ammeter, that's the shunt for the ammeter, and the positive enter in the positive bus bar of the panel. The negative bus bar is connected with the negative and is connected with the negative of the battery. The rest of the elements, this is the ignition bus bar, and this is the wiring for this particular boat. I am going to interrupt the positive, and now I am going to check the voltage over there, and the voltage is 12 volts. It's supposed that it's interrupted. I separate the positive here. If I connect, everything is running. Okay, I separate the positive and I connect my voltmeter in series on the separation. And I have 11.6, the voltage of the battery. What is the meaning of that? That I have a leak in one of those equipments. If the reading in amps is more than 0.001, is because I have a leak. With the volt method, I verify that I have a leak. I am going to verify again with the amp method. Alright? 0.03, 0.029, 0.03. This is more than 0.001. Don't forget that we need, at the end of the day, in all the boats, the negative bus bar in the DC panel, this one. The negative bus bar on the DC panel, that one. And the ground bus bar on the AC panel, both of them shall be connected to the bonding conductor, and the bonding conductor finish into the piece of zinc. Remember, if the boat is in aluminum, the sacrificial anode recommended for salt water is magnesium. Okay? Alright? Later we are going to talk about the different type of sacrificial anodes depending on the material of the hull.